Good day, my name is Kehinde Elisha, founder of MP Certification Academy. Today, I just want to quickly show you how to apply for the board exam. Many students are struggling with it. So first, we're going to start by typing out www.nursingworld.org. That's nursingworld.org. You enter. Once you enter, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, but of course, the image might be different. Just make sure you have nursingworld.org. Now, once you have nursingworld.org, look, to learn a little bit about what is ANA Enterprise, you can click on it and come down here. You will find out that ANA Enterprise is pretty much, there are three things underneath it. Okay, they have the ANA, that is American Nurses Association. They have the American Nurses Foundation, and they have the ANCC. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And what is ANCC? What does it stand for? It is American Nurses Credentialing Center, okay, by American Nurses Foundation. Okay, so with that being said, we're now going to go back to the top. We are here to now deal with the applications with ANCC. If you want to know anything about ANCC, click on ANCC. Okay, you scroll down, you see what is there, browse through it, check it out. You find out that they have, ANCC accreditation team, ANCC accreditation certification group, ANCC, magnet. That means they're the ones that gives the magnet status to recognition to hospitals. ANCC pathway to excellence. For us that are trying to take exam, we have to deal with the ANCC certification. Okay, I'm not going to apply from here. I'm going to go back again to the top just to maintain the flow. You go back to the top again. Look, you have ANCC Foundation Resources. If you want to know more, click on any of this. But because you are here for certification, guess what you're going to do? You're going to go ahead and hover over this certification right here. When you hover over it, see what happens when you hover over it. Let's minimize it again. You put your mouse on here. It's going to show these things. If I take my mouse off, I put on here, it shows some other things. If I put my mouse on membership, it shows some other things. So that's what I want to talk about now. If you are not already a member, make sure you apply for membership. Your current pricing is $300 plus for board examination. If you get a membership, you get a good discount. If you also apply a discount code, your application fee might drop from $300 and something to $170. So you can save a ton of money just by being a member and by applying the code. And I will show you where that code is. All right, so we're going to go back now and say, okay, certification, that's why we are all here anyway. You're going to go ahead and do what? Click on initial certification. If you want to renew, you click on renew. But let me say you want to apply for initial one. Once you click on that certification, you're going to now come down here. Which exam do you want to apply for? Do you want to apply for, sorry, I clicked on something by mistake. I'm going to go again to the beginning, okay, to the top, nursingworld.org, and then, okay, nursingworld.org. This is like a repeated thing that I'm doing here. You hover over certification, you click on initial certification, okay. Once you now click on initial certification, you're going to slowly scroll down. Be careful. Don't do what I just did. Scroll down. Do you want the family nurse practitioner exam? Do you want the AGACNP exam or AGPCNP exam? Do you want the AGACNP? Do you want the PMHNP? Is it the AGCNSBC exam? What kind of exam do you want to take? They offer a lot of exams here. A lot. Okay, so let me say you want the PMHNP exam. Okay, see, the PMHNP exam is right here, but also there is a PMH exam. Be careful. If you are a nurse practitioner, you're going to be applying for the PMHNP. If you are an RN that want to be certified on your job, you're going to apply for the PMHBC. So let me say we want to do the PMHNPBC. You're going to click on it. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page with a coupon code. The coupon code currently for this month is what? If you're a member, you can apply this extra coupon code, aprnvalidation. That is excellent. That's going to give you a lot of, you're going to save $125. So instead of paying $300 and something, you're going to find out that your money is going to slowly come down. So once you apply and go through the process, you click on the link. It says apply now. You click apply now. Once you click apply now, you will see this page. Sign in, put in your username, and that's it. And then once you get to a particular place, I need to show you something here. I'm not going to be able to go through the application process because, of course, I'm already certified. But let me say you get into the page. One thing you must look for. One thing I want you to look for is this. You must try and find the something I will call verification of education. Okay, so now when you get your hands on the verification of education, you will now send that to your school to fill it out and confirm that yes, you did graduate or you finished school already and stuff like that. So your it's called a VOE. Now once you get the VOE form filled out, you send it to your school. Your school will now send it back to the board, to the ANCC. What else do you need what else do you need to expect from ANCC? You're going to be expecting something that we call Authorization to Test. That is called ATT. That is the last thing you're going to get. That means you have your transcript in, they received your VOE already, and I hope this helps. If you have any question, contact us, nursetonursecoach@gmail.com, or please go ahead and contact ANCC directly. We are not vendors for ANCC. We are just doing this to further support students because we offer board exam reviews, and a lot of our students have a lot of concern about applying for the board exam. I really hope this was helpful. Thank you.